Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope that you all are fine. So here today I am going to tell you that how to make your interesting and very attractive thumbnails using app which is called Canva. So first of all we'll open our Canva app, click on it. So here you can see that my recent designs are also coming. So we'll scroll down, go on YouTube thumbnails, yes, and then click on see all. After clicking on see all, many attractive thumbnails will appear in front of us like this, and we can replace the letters and pictures and background, everything. So move down. For example, I want to make this. Click on it. By clicking on it, this will appear in front of us. So here we can also replace the photo by clicking on it, and down you can see that there is a replace button. But for now I don't want to replace. So we can also change our title by clicking on this tab bar, click on edit like this, like this. Like this we can design our new thumbnail and very attractive for others. So hope that you got my point, what I want to say. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Have a good day. Allah Hafiz.